Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Nigeria government don begin start to dey freeze the account of the people wey protest during the EndSARS protest. Na this one na come make Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, dey ask say na who dey advise Nigeria government. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
My people, sorry, Nigeria network. That's why we dey pray and ask God for good system. So, my name is Chirime Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, aka Tokamasibi. I welcome all of you to come today broadcast. One look, one matter. Now, who they advise our politician? But quickly, my brother is there with me for studio this evening.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, anywhere you are in this part of the world. We can't give una sweet topic this evening. Who they advise our government, our politicians, who they advise, and I mean the topic when we the center on today. Thank you very much, sir.
So, my people, when you look what they happen for with society. Good evening. So, we'll begin to ask questions. Now, who they advise our leaders? Now, who they advise our politicians? Now, who they advise our government? Because the way things they go on for Nigeria, you will begin to ask if our leaders, if they be human beings, because the way that they act, you will begin to wonder what thing they happen. When you see things supposed to happen, when they're supposed to give us positive answer, now also negative things now would they experience, my brother. What thing they really happen with who they advise our leaders? Me, I don't know who they advise them.
And the same question when even me too, I don't they ask Tate. Because I know say every leader get who they advise them. You don't reach time when we say we need to the ask our leaders who they advise them. We get so many instances to actually point at. And I know say we just finished the EndSARS protest, may come further lead to
other demand
in Nigeria. But it can't be very, very funny. Say even after all of us don't begin government from east to west, from north to south, they can't come out again. CBN, when Emefiele be the president, can't go collect court order to the freeze account of EndSARS protesters. This one can't touch us for belly. Waiting they happen. When they look, say things they scatter, we are more arrange them back. Who can advise Emefiele? Say, okay, if I make it go collect that kind of order, presidency know they are aware, and all these things when they happen, I make us say, more carry the topic come this evening. Who they advise our government?
My brother, this one question where they beg for answer. Now, they never froze the account of the people where they sponsor Boko Haram.
Yeah.
We know here say they don't froze account of the people where they sponsor Fulani terrorists. We never hear say they don't froze the account of our politicians when they steal our money every second, every minute. And we know here say Emefiele go collect court injunction or court order. Today froze the account of armed bandits where we say they kill our brothers for Benue, for Kaduna, for other parts of the country. Now make us they ask this question this evening. Now who they advise our leader?
Apostle, now this same country too. Now he want koro money. Tell us say snake
swallow money.
Number one. Number two, they not stop am for there. They still open their eye again. Still can't tell Nigerians. Say na so monkey.
So, wait
they enter. The money where monkey carry, me, human being.
I don't feel carry.
I don't feel lift that money where monkey carry. During COVID-19, when COVID-19 just really start.
According to them all.
When COVID-19 just really start. When they can't say they won't ask which person office when they go put fire.
Not be CBN.
No, not be CBN.
Which one again?
They won't ask a question. Before you know, overnight, they put fire. Fire cash.
Auditor General.
Thank you, sir. Fire cash the building. Now, because they ask ourselves question. Say, if our government just look, say, they feed the mumu all of us like this for Nigeria. Who they are, that person they advise them, that person to no work.
Wait. The question be say, Where the snake pass to go swallow money for jam office?
Okay, that's a very big question.
Where snake pass?
So who advised them say may they use that tactics? Okay, sir, may we still go back again. NDDC, when they probe the acting NDDC commissioner, who advised them make it fake?
That go fake.
You know, carry fake.
As he faint finish, matter die.
Now, person tell us, Oboyafa,
Oh,
say
but
you are
faint,
using
oh.
this, you just faint.
Faint.
And then before you know,
Now the guy faint.
the guy faint.
Now the matter don't die, natural death.
The matter die. See, today, none of us, even my able self, none of us was able to push for the end of the NDDC matter.
Oh.
When we dey act, who be that person? That person when they advise our government, they don't study us finish. They all look say just throw away mumu thing give them.
They don't see us finish, oh.
If you throw away mumu, they don't even use better thing till they deceive us. They don't throw away mumu thing. Now after the end hospital when all of us don't protest, scatter everywhere. Yes, na part one they see so. We do finish before you know. They can't say they will take do us again. Oh yeah, made them start to freeze the accounts of NSAS protesters. We won't just pass this information, give Emefiele, and say make you know say wetin start so we help am finish am.
Sharp.
So as e don start to dey freeze our account, when be say na we lead the NSAS protest, since we no get money to chop again for house, we go come out to street. So our people when they watch us for anywhere you dey for the world, who dey advise our government?
Now who they advise them? That one no even pay me pass. You remember say they go put fire for CBN office for Abuja.
Of course, sir. True.
We after they say 70 billion naira money where people donate for COVID-19. Now wow.
You don't go.
Now who they advise our leader? As if say that one not reach. Oh. Then they say I talk say Oga Bubu no fit enter office, say rat. No, wait, no be rat.
Okay, but you just make me remember that matter. Our own president, Daddy Bubu go hospital for UK, no hospital for Nigeria at all. He go for UK, he can't come back after 100 days. The person when they advise our Nigerian government us again, then they can't tell us, say rats, don't take my house when
Rat.
cockroach no dey enter. When I go travel lock door, even cobwebs fear no allow enter. It can't be a whole Aso rats can't take over our president office. Now the question we dey ask be saying,
Now who do you advise
all
them?
this advice when they get so, may they still pity us too, because we be people, we be human being. We no be foul. Even who dey rear foul, e get the way you go take do the foul, you go even pity the foul. Not to not talk about human being. Now the big question, when we want to make Nigerian people open their eye for, and then to ensure say all these things when they happen, we need to revolt against them. All these mumu things when they take the throwaway before us, when we say we no fit act, we no fit do anything, then we take throwaway give una this evening. So who they advise the Nigerian government?
Wait, oh, my brother. You remember say other country they make life good for the people.
Yes, sir.
Our own for this COVID-19 they increase for 3 times.
That's true.
As if say that one they block border. You know see they lock border.
Increase tariff, electricity
They
tariff.
increase tariff. Now, fuel they increase. Now who they advise these people? Now the same question we they ask una for my people. Now who they advise our leader?
Our students know this school, ASU strike.
You know to enter Unibe just now.
We enter Unibe.
It be like graveyard.
Unibe be like
Oh
graveyard.
God.
No students. So they say, we go school. Say if we go school finish, we can go learn tailor.
You can imagine.
Say if we graduate from school, they will say they will come ask us, do you have a skill?
Are you computer literate? Why we can't go school?
I will come say no, I no get skill. They will say, I go learn baba.
Oh God. Or dry cleaner.
Or I go learn dry cleaner. So now we make this dirty woman for House of Assembly for Lagos. I don't want to know her name.
Ijemen, that woman.
When say Nigeria youth are always on drug.
Yes.
Before she say they are always on drug, you get what she talk.
She they would buy drugs give us now.
She say, you know what? I studied in the UK.
Okay.
And I had my first degree in the UK, and I came back to Nigeria to represent my people.
Yeah.
And as she come finish with that, now she come enter matter say, since no work, make our Nigerian youth, make they go learn how to do ties.
May I go lay ties.
After you don't finish university,
Now who they call? So make we pick this one. Hello, good evening. Oh. Good evening, my brother. Oh. Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
This one no be Akon, this one I'm Victor.
Very sorry, very sorry.
No wahala.
Good evening, sir.
Happy weekend.
Same to you, sir.
Yeah.
Please, I won't contribute, not because of this, not because of this broadcast, I won't contribute, but the only thing I won't talk, I don't understand. I be your fans,
Yeah.
I be Abbas fans, I be this guy fans, I be Moscow fans.
Yeah.
But one thing I won't talk. For Nigeria, what thing I see, nobody will not speak for government. Everybody is speaking for government. What thing make me talk and say everybody is speaking for government? Not only government is speaking. Everybody, individual is speaking for government. What thing make me talk and say? I don't understand.
Yes.
For the past 1 week now, for the past 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, they say and Abbas, they get small boys. I thought that because of their this thing that they do. Okay, one thing I want to talk. That business way that they do, sir. I believe say that they pay tax to government for that their business way that they do.
Yes. And that matter, they don't resolve them. That matter be resolved.
But I know that matter don't resolve. But it was really the pay tax to government. Because that money here will be there, so sir. That kind of business really they do so. People will be doing here, people will be doing any business. When you get that, their tax, but the tax to government, now that their tax, now government say they repair the country. But since then we do what they do. I be their funds, sir. I be their funds.
Yes.
I be opposite funds. I try to funds. Don't wait you way or we get where down
The matter making.
I don't understand. Let those boys go put the office, make them collect your for their hands. Make them because I feel say that money will be collected for when they do see your food.
Yes.
Need to see that government they take care of that. Need to see that government they take care of that thing. Need to see that government they take care of that thing. That money they collect, my government for it, my government first. One that money for that's those money for the
quick one, no be that they do see for now government they do see for. They already stand as an agent to facilitate the process. So not be that they collect the money they go government.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
The money has go to government.
Okay, not to wait person no na person
you like a contractor now. Who want do road now? A contractor, you go do the road give government. Their own they now to help the people because like you now you there abroad. You go fit come Nigeria and do this here for no. You go need somebody to help you do them, and those people go need to they within the government. So now so they be so the money that they collect now to government not be paying money.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
I want to know, sir.
You do it. Thank you.
Sorry for the time. Okay, now.
Yes. Now so they be, my brother. Continue. That's what they be.
So I just see one Mr. Godwin Omori. I like your question.
No, one we talk about intelligent revolting and not the on intelligent concluded demonstration without such basis. Now, wow, it is well. I will make you respond.
God bless you, my Osazuwa Vincent.
Yes.
I like that word, intelligent revolting, and that's very truth. Waiting you talk so
100% correct.
Better word and waiting happen when you say the yes so you know say when small pikin one learn how to eat oil and yam.
Your friends are take rub body first.
Now wetin happen to us be that we went there Nigeria so as we dey learn how to protest we no get option all of us just carry come out gburu but that intelligent revolting so now we go need you too to come advise us. So go appreciate if you fit help us present a template on how we fit get the intelligent revolting so that we fit add down to wetin we get on ground to ensure say we get the result when all of us dey yarn for. And then Mr. Clement when talk about cement. To be honest, I surprised because I dey into building so small too with Apostle. I surprised say cement one we dey buy 2,700, 2,800, or 2,700.
Yes.
Before you know, you don't enter 3,000.
So maybe they say 3-2.
Okay, yes.
And meanwhile, not be government increase, and this one are individual.
Before you know, you don't enter 3,000 Apostle say 3-2. All this na matter when all of us they discuss. Why all this dey happen?
Why?
All this is happen because government never fit regulate price of commodity.
Now who they advise the government?
So now who they advise you? Because if for better government, they suppose get price regulatory body. So the price regulatory body now go say, okay, fine. From main gate to ring road, for example, no bus go carry more than 100 naira.
Yes.
Because as we speak, so may no vessel. If rain fall, and
You know go house.
you dey ring road and you dey go main gate. You already say that motor when you dey enter 150 before, you already 400 or 500. No verse.
Even 1,000 naira.
No verse. Now imagine say government get better price regulatory system. When be say I don't need to follow anybody quarrel. So for example, all 2K get their tag. As all 2K get their tag, for example, 01. So as they get the tag 01, 02, 03, 04, till infinity. So as I enter motor, when we say the motor supposed to be 100 naira and they carry 200 naira, I don't need to follow the conductor quarrel.
No.
All I need to do is to go to the government portal, type 01, let my company and government go hold am.
Now so.
That is the system when the government get better price regulatory.
Now who they advise
that's
them, my
who
brother?
They advise the Nigerian government. The people when sabi the work to advise the Nigerian government, we will never find square peg in square hole.
No.
When I say square peg in square hole, that means say who sabi the job.
You no
to
go
do
see
the
am o.
job,
You no go see am.
for there.
You don't say you no get godfather.
At all.
You no get level.
Yes.
No, my people. Now una see this matter. Because if we check our air sector today, now zero.
Capital zero.
Zero low. Now zero all over the country. I will hear see the budget how many billion naira for Aso Rock Clinic. For Boo Boo. For Oga Boo Boo. Oga Boo Boo. For 1.something billion naira for Aso Rock Clinic. Who they advise our leaders?
I will just visit IDP camp now. Over 4,000 children they IDP camp.
They don't get drugs.
They get only 5 nurses. Only 5 nurses. Now in the IDP camp. For Wogwaye. For off Siloko Road.
Yeah, after Igwa Dolo.
You understand? Only 5. Now in they attend to
Children.
over 4,000.
Mama never did there.
Same place. The mama when they cook say if they want eat, say they want money and rice they want chop. Say they must cook 15 bags
of rice.
1, 2,
3, 4. Wait, count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15
bags of
rice.
Say they want cook in the morning.
Only the money.
Make the children chop, make the belly full. So we dey ask ourselves.
Now who they advise our
Who
leader?
dey advise our leaders? Now this same country you go see when president go appoint minister for agriculture, he go be lawyer.
Wait oh. Wetin concern lawyer with agriculture?
Minister for agriculture. They say why? They say because
English.
so lawyer go come be minister for agriculture and you get universities for everywhere.
Wait. No, that one na doctor.
Okay.
Na minister.
Una dey hear am?
Doctor.
Una dey hear am? So Nigeria don go beyond say because I be party A, I be party B, and then party A can't enter, and because party A enter, so person he supports me for my campaign.
Now I must enter.
And now I will come appoint. No, who they advise our government? More than to they use sense. More than they advise them rightly. If I want go deep, to be honest, our Nigerian leaders they need the right people around them. Now the wrong people when they go by mistake carry join them because say they need to lawyer because how did they enter office?
Go for that reason level now.
Go for that reason level.
You know the system.
Leader, who they advise? More not to use na sense. More
not using that sense.
If I won't give one of the governors kudos small, now I won't criticize governor for those I will give a small kudos. Now know why? I tell you why. So people feel verse for me for this one I want to talk so, but more no verse.
No, more than verse more. More than verse more.
When I remember saying when Obaseki enter, if they carry things they come from Lagos. If they carry people who know how to do the work. When you know from Lagos, people they verse. Yes. Who want verse for me? No verse for me. I know they play tribal politics. Because Nigeria, now for all of us.
Yes, sir.
State, now for all of us.
Okay,
we don't feel believe what our eyes see when we drive through. Sir, where we go yesterday? Where we drive?
Obage. Obayaton.
If you see how it connect Obayaton Road from Obayaton down to Airport Road, nobody believe that road.
Me myself not believe.
We don't believe what that man do for that place. We don't. That is what it means when you have the right people doing the right job.
Wait, do you know see the no commissioner road?
Okay.
Obayaton research. My brother, me myself shock.
Okay. My oga don't come again. Osazuwa Vincent. He say our problem is that so in that society is everybody is based on education and certificate. Minister of Transportation in most Western world where once a taxi driver. You see that word? But where once a taxi driver, bus operator, train driver, and
etc. You are very correct, my brother.
Very correct.
You know, I will tell my brother today. I say Nigeria, we are educated by foolish. No, I should tell you now.
Yeah.
We are educated by foolish. Everybody want to go to school, but nothing. After they don't go to school, finish. Now they want to go learn how to make hair. Now they want to go learn how to do shoe. Tailor. Our guest tailor. Some of our guests na is it medicure or pedicure. After they go university, come back.
They say organic hair. How to do organic cream.
Meanwhile, which are the organic?
They don't go school.
They don't go school, come back.
Where they work for them?
No work. So my people, now true talk you talk. Education for Nigeria is zero. Because education for Nigeria is supposed to be, if education Nigeria is supposed to be practical. No be theory, practical. Now then Nigeria university they go tell say look this is diode, but you no go see am, they go show you for paper. Now lie talk. No, you will study agriculture. I tell people what you experience for school, whether you see those things.
I no drive tractor one day.
Okay.
Tractor.
But you see for television.
And now they tell us say we need to stop subsistence types of farming. That one where they use oil and cutlass. Say we need to go mechanized. But I know make I shock on small. When Nigeria they call for mechanized style of farming system, the Western world don't come up for mechanized. They don't enter artificial intelligence. Where we say as you just did so, ma'am, all you need to sit down. You don't already put your time. The machine when won't feed your chicken.
You don't prepare.
You don't already day by 12 when you don't already put 12 PM. Machine don't feed them. You don't want to give water after 30 minutes. Don't give water. Why we see they do the normal
clearing.
Nothing.
You go clear tire.
When we even go do fit practical for some guy farm for Delta State, they use us take clear hectares of bush. In the morning, once we wake up in the morning,
I can't collapse.
So yeah, they will carry us enter the bush. They say, see where you want to clear. And I know people will not get option because now if we not clear, we not collect Marco. So all of us will carry cutlass.
We get it clear.
If we enter that bush here, at the bush thick rich, in less than 10 minutes, you will see the other side of the bush. We are doing it with joy. This is the kind of education.
What we get for this country.
So in this part of the world, we don't have education. We have schooling. We are only just going to school.
Even school, even now, that statement. Now, so Gary school.
Our leaders now.
Now, who they have asked now?
Even though say we don't know anything, Monastic appoint people when know better thing. May advise you now where.
No, wait, not my brother. They go to look for who get certificate.
Okay.
Who get head? Today do the right thing. They don't go apply them
at all.
They look for who get first degree, second degree. Even the so-called degree never know what they call diode for computer. You never know. You don't see the village will go today. Okoko. You know how many legislators come out for that village? No road. For that village, Okoko. Now there, Osaze Demige, all the House of Assembly member for via the death of Okon. No road to the village.
At all.
The man go build the house for here. Now they advise them. No road though.
But Apostle, you remember when I tell you, when we reach that village, I tell you, I say, no blame those politicians. Why? Because they see they enter this community and the villagers, they allow them.
Then they keep quiet.
So that means say time don't reach. My oga, when talk before, say we the protest when we do, you know, the intelligence. Time don't reach for you to give us intelligence templates.
Show us the way out.
To work with, more hard and join
the one we don't get.
One where we try design. When we go be saying when we engage our government, we know a better thing. When they no fit shy away from, then we take engage them. Our people, I beg us share this video anywhere you dey. Make other Nigerians too feel they open their eyes small, because the time don't reach for us to ask the right question, not just to ask question, but to ask the right question. Why? Because we know say everything falls and lies on leadership.
Wait, my brother, you don't just see the ASO strike and the Red Day on strike. You don't see our politicians they raise bill to say me the call of strike
For
because their children they are abroad. Their children they the best university.
I see you, Niger. I see you, Niger. I see you.
We see you, my brother. You know, sir. Now those people we say that picking they abroad, they go to university. Now you go cause to make us call of strike.
For where?
Wait to, my brother.
For 5-year course when I supposed to do for university, I have to chop 2 years.
That make it 7
7
years. 7 years.
My baby is supposed to full.
So,
I dey baba every day.
Chana, you know say we don't dry. School is about refresh for school, but now school call a dry person.
This same school, I don't sit down with people. I will call the name Dr. TV.
Mm.
Dr. TV, a well-respected person for Nigeria. If you go check her later for YouTube, now you get Africa Center for Leadership, Strategy and Development. He tell me, Koro, he said, do you see that University of Benin when you go to? He said, in my days in University of Benin, he said that they give 2 people 1 full fowl to chop.
To chop, and they all of them benefit from her.
For University of Benin, that University of Benin, when me go, say they give 2 people 2 fowl to chop. They will go cafeteria. If they want travel, go abroad, go learn. Now just to write letter.
Sure.
Before you know,
They don't sign
less than
up.
few weeks.
Yeah, they
they don't go. I call the ask and say, sir, which country they talk? He say Nigeria. I say,
Okay.
which university? He say University of Benin. I say, a lie. He said, what are you telling me? I say, a lie. Because you know what? Me, I can't surprise you. That same Nigerian. I meet this so.
When we say on poverty, they kill everybody. Nothing.
Nothing there. I don't even count the numbers of students when don't drop out from school.
You know, be your presence. One of the visual be say no for 8 years. You don't give students water.
Okay.
No light. They come begin a care and tell you for school. So they can come the drag lecture theater with students. Now who they advise our leader? My people, who now they advise our people? See everywhere for Nigeria, yaga. We don't pray. I will continue to pray. Because very soon our prayer not go begin. If they know they die one, they no go get sense.
Yes, sir.
So my brother, this rate on unemployment, because just as we dey blame our leaders, we see we ourselves still get blame.
Serious one.
Because most of the problem now because we never feel come out to say, that's what we want. But thank God for this first stage 1 protest.
Yes, sir.
That one is stage 1.
Part one.
Part 1.
The part 2.
Part 2 go come.
Everybody go wrong.
The part 2 be say, they no go burn property. No. They no go kill anybody. But they go see say things they happen naturally. They no go carry gun. Now the truth be that they no go carry gun, they no go block road, but the see say things go just dey happen naturally. That the part 2. I'm not my guy Victor talking about intelligent protest. Now there would they go so. Very intelligent. But you make sure you send us your contribution. Tell us, okay, see how soon I go do it because some of them know they help us. So some of them go only talk, now they give us the way out. So as you talk, so inbox or later to say apostle, say you think and they go add that join waiting we don't get. My brother, all this issue of market, we be saying the day. Now who they waiting they happen, self.
Time don't reach when we need to start to tell ourselves the truth. Number 1. Number 2, our politicians know they visit the Solo market. Our politicians know they visit New Benin market.
Now true be that.
Our politicians know they visit
Only a market.
We need to start to tell ourselves who we dey hunt. We dey hunt
Ourselves.
That is the basic truth. I follow one House of Rep member talk. Wetin she tell me? She say she dey buy her full stock from UK.
Okay.
To meat.
Now from UK.
She dey buy her full stock to meat from UK.
You know they buy it for Solo market.
She said it's very cheap in the UK. I just buy everything in the UK and I order for them. And then before you know, I have them in Nigeria. And
I'm eating.
I look at one eyes.
Whatever happened to the market women, that's their business.
So now I can't ask. Now, for Solo market, 1 onions now 150, 200.
Small one.
Onions, alubosa. 1 onions, 150, 200. Sachet tomato.
150.
If you no buy, they go your house. So
Now waiting they sell 17 naira before.
Waiting with they buy 17 naira. Now 150. No use tomato cook. Why you want use tomato cook? They don't send you.
They don't send you.
Nobody.
Why must you use tomato? You grab pepper, eat.
You understand? That is what they presented before us. Now, the issue of the price of things, commodities, when they go up for market, we need to tell ourselves the truth. I beg, if you know say your brother, your sister, they sell for market, or you know who they say, help us start to dey beg them.
Make them not make life miserable for the people.
Say no be Obaseki
They punish.
dey buy the tomatoes.
I've been at Shaibu.
No be Bubu dey buy the onions.
I've been at the senators.
No be Oroide.
I've been at the CMD for various hospitals.
Na me and you.
Na the buy am.
Na him go still dey go Solo market go buy the pepper. So time don reach for us, the people, to come realize say we know dey hurt our leader and ourselves we dey hurt.
We dey punish ourselves.
So if you go market now, you buy something for 50 naira, why you wan sell am for 150?
Greed. Longer truth.
Why not sell for 65 naira? You get 15 naira on top. Instead make you put 150. You get why?
Longer truth.
So time don reach because we know say till the war end, our Nigerian government no fit put better price control unit o.
Because they never send you.
E no affect them. E no affect them. So anyhow we take live, we take organize ourselves. They go dey look us from afar, and when e reach time for them to come use us again,
they'll still use us.
They'll still use us.
They'll still nothing dey happen.
So sir, to answer the aspect of increase in commodity, the prices of commodity, na we go see beg ourselves. Say abeg make our mama when they sell for market.
Muna reduce the price.
Make our papa when they sell for market. Abeg, muna too still understand. Say the people wey una dey sell give no be Bubu son. Bubu son no come Muslim market come buy things o.
Come buy wetin?
No be Obaseki wife. Obaseki wife no go come New Benin market.
Come do wetin?
Come buy something. Na still that same your neighbor wey no get shishi for hand.
That will cost you buy am o. Okay.
So sir, that is, I think that for my own part, that is the best way that we can address that for now, sir.
So which means we need to look inward. You see this hand? Yeah. As you dey point this hand to Bubu, this hand they bear witness to God. The remaining three face us. So which means bulk of the problem and the solution dey our hand.
I don't tell people, say Nigerian government no be Nigerian problem.
No, wait. No, let me hear you correct for this thing. Why you say no be Nigerian problem?
The Nigerian problem and the Nigerian people.
Wait, no, bros, no let me hear you correct this evening. Me say Nigeria problem na the leaders.
No, sir, no be the leaders.
Okay, may you tell us. Say na the people.
Because the leaders na the minority.
That's true.
The leaders na the people when they no fit vote themselves into government. Na the majority, the masses, the electorate, the people, we. When time don reach for us to make this country work, we will know. So, sir, the Nigerian problem is not the Nigerian government. As a matter of fact, because we are practicing democracy, that is number one advantage. So, on that note, when I see what happened for just the election, when the people decided that minority cannot rule or decide their future, what happened? The people came out in mass and voted for the candidate of their choice. This is to show that the power lies in the people or on the people, which are the electorate. So when the Nigerian people decide, say, okay, fine, time don't reach for us to collect our country. No, the Nigerian government, they'll pack. So, sir, the Nigerian problem is not the Nigerian government. The Nigerian problem na the Nigerian people. Nigerian people wake up.
Now wait, but you know say if the Nigerian leader put the right template, Nigerian citizens go follow. You don't know.
And they can never put the right template because now the wrong people did it. So the wrong people cannot put the right template. So the people will have to wake up to put the right people that will put the right template.
Who want wake the people up?
We don't wake up small.
Small.
As hungry they beat us.
Our eye don't they open.
Hungry they beat us. I can imagine when we go IDP camp, when we reach where their hospital today, person when they take treatment, you know where they put them for grant. They take treatment.
All over you talk.
When I think go watch our video later now for when we do IDP camp. You know, I video they sick. So who they sick say it's supposed they sick bed. No, you know they sick bed. They sick floor for grant.
Sickness can't even increase.
If you check the post when I supposed to post few minutes ago, the picture, you now see one small pikin when he lie down for ground. It be like say he did jacuzzi. It be like say he did boo bed. he lie down well for ground. That's not the matter when they happen for our country.
As you just told this, you want to make me cry. So, see, when I see the boy, now, grand, this will not be Photoshop. Oh, this one, you sleep for grand. Oh, see, he sleep for grand. Oh, now, what you see today. Oh. But meanwhile, our senator, they collect how many million every month?
30 million.
30 million every month.
30 million.
See the people that they present, they sleep for that floor.
30 million. Our president and our vice president, the money when they allocate for their feeding for 2021, 4 billion naira. When they will take chop for 2021, 4 billion for only the president, President Bubu, and our vice president. And as we dey talk, so many things. When I want join me, more go roundabout today for Ring Road. When I can go see 6-year-old pikin, 7-year-old pikin. If they roundabout for Ring Road there, na there they sleep.
In fact, they sleep. Oh God.
Na there they sleep. Our government.
When I wake up.
When una will wake up, who dey advise una? Can we be truthful to ourselves? Nigeria is our collective effort. The Europe cannot come and make Nigeria.
No.
Americans will never come and make Nigeria.
Never.
The Asians will never come and make Nigeria. Nigerians must wake up to the responsibility to understand. Say this country, now our country, how we want to make it be. We need to understand this aspect. Say this country, now for every one of us. How do we want the health sector to be? How do we want education to be? As we talk to you so, I can tell you categorically, say 8 out of every 10 child or young person within the age of 18 to 35 years old, which the Nigerian constitution for youth, 8 out of every 10, as I talk to you so, no feel comfortably on a daily basis spend $1.
How you want to get where the $1 from?
When I say comfortable,
how?
When we say you go open your eye, you go look, say you spend 360 naira and you know shake it for body.
How? You scratch your head first.
So imagine say yesterday we buy fuel. When I remember, okay. 5,000 naira. So imagine a $5,000 fuel we buy. You can see the equivalence of Nigerian money. I not to get value again. Why? Value. Because right system in place in Nigeria. And so everything you go owe 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. No go use you chop 2 Santana and 1 meat.
Which Santana? That's Santana wait. See, Santana in a point. Santana on a point.
So imagine saying $1,000 on a 1,000 euro. More talk to. Una know na dey abroad. Na more say $1,000. Come more see I will take soft. So imagine that somebody is now spending 1,000 naira. That means our money no get value again.
No value.
Why? Because the system is faulty.
Now, who they advise our leaders?
Who they advise?
The only way they need to pay me pan and this NSAS protest. They not come out to say we want to address your demand.
At all.
They never tell us okay we don't hear. Okay, we'll begin to implement. No. The next thing they say, you start freezing their account. Whoever they advise on that turn that will kill that evil advisor.
Now hear what happened for River State, for Igbo community.
Okay.
They finish my brother and your brother.
Nobody talk.
Even though say no be your tribe, even though say no be your blood immediate your blood brother or blood sister, but they be Nigerians. They kill them for them. Now know what happened? The wicked when me they respect small. Wicked when me know as they stubborn rich as governor, come out, come say you know order, you don't know anything. Wicked, you mean say federal or anybody go send those security men to River State or Igbo for wicked community, and wicked don't know what did happen. No, tell me now. Una know, remember what happened for Lekki Toll Gate? When the next day the governor come out, you can't open your mouth.
You say don't do anything.
You can't tell us say if like say they bend the hand go back. Saying you don't know what happen. This same country again, the Minister for Defense, when they call him name Buratai, because he come out again. Because he say like say people won't carry that thing. Say they go wear soldier uniform, they don't be soldier. Okay, number 2, they still come out again. They still say they use rubber bullets. We don't understand what it happen. Our leaders, one or two they use in a sense now. More than the pity us. More understand say no be Oyibo una dey kill.
Now they kill our children.
Una see wetin happen for Nigeria when 2 days or 3 days ago when they kidnapped American citizen
They can't carry am.
because of
One person.
One person. America send their troop come carry one person.
One person.
And we hundreds of Nigerians dey Boko Haram inside Nigeria.
We dey kill them.
They dey Borno here. They dey Boko Haram camp for inside Nigeria. And the Nigerian government dey say they no fit camp Boko Haram inside where they dey for that place. No more they talk true now. Who they deceive who?
Now who they advise our
Who
leaders?
they advise our Nigerian leaders? Time don reach for us to ensure. Time don reach for us to ensure. Say we need to strategically engage the Nigerian government
Oh,
because wetin they don do, we both say enough.
make I play this song, my brother. You know, say I dey like this song well. Freedom is now or never.
Of course.
I dey like this song. I'll continue to play. Freedom is now or never. You see the freedom. Now with this street they do broadcast. That's why you can reach. Very soon on the center of road we dey do broadcast.
Yes, sir.
Very soon we dey ring road. We sit down for center of road they do our broadcast. Now there we dey go. So we don't want this studio again. We don't tired of this studio. You never tire.
I don tire.
My people more not to talk too much. I beg. Finally, no say time don't they go now. Make we can go take care of ourselves tomorrow on our service. Yeah. So my people, now who they advise our leaders? When it be say that they do like witch, they do like say they don't get sense. Evil leader na turn that will fire the evil leader for this country.
Amen.
If you are a Nigerian politician, you are the one making it to suffer the midst of plenty. Now suffer go kill your generation.
Amen.
All your property now fire go burn out.
Amen.
Now go see. So we don't want to talk too much this evening because we'll still come back to this location tomorrow. Even Abuja, we'll go Abuja. See, freedom and now. We know, in fact, more change that song.
No.
More change that freedom is now never. It don't take.
Since 70s.
Since 70s. And me are shame. What did they shame me for? Since 1960, we don't shout up NEPA. Hey, up NEPA. Since 1960, we still shout up NEPA.
Up the NEPA to this.
Oh, the cover. No water. No good rail network. Nothing.
Country when say president won't present budget, they take light. More your resty.
Country be say people want give just speech, you go need to read. You need to read, give her.
More resty. Sir, Nigerians, anywhere you are all over the world listening to us, please, we need your contribution. We must not relent.
Yeah.
We are not retreating.
No.
And we will never surrender.
Never.
Nigeria. The reason why we carry this matter forward not be because say we want to enjoy Nigeria.
No.
But because say we want to create Nigeria for another generation.
Yeah.
When we say children when they never born, make them to come experience better country. And this is the reason why we they put all effort to contribute our part to service to humanity.
So that the people will get the right information.
So that the people will get the right information. So please, anywhere you are all over the world, you listen to us. I beg ensure say you contribute your own part. You know anybody when we say you know for your mind say no get school fees. Call them.
Give her.
Ask them. How are you? You don't pay your school fees. You say no.
Help her.
Help them. You get why? You know family when we say food they had them to chop. Call them.
How far? You don't chop.
You don't chop.
Give them food.
Say no. I beg. Help them. We need to help ourselves. Why? Now who don't belleful? Now if you come out to street, who don't belleful? Who never belleful? They go betray the struggle.
Now so no be happen so. No be 1,000 give some people 500.
Why? Because if hungry they catch me and I dey follow apostle, as I dey follow apostle, hungry they catch me. Person come and say, oh yeah, take 1,000 go chop. I'll pass back. I will switch off my phone. Apostle no see me call again.
You see, that's why they make sure say no hungry.
The struggle, don't betray. This is why we need to contribute our quota to every Nigerian. And if we can do that, take it or leave it, we'll be so loyal to the struggle to help us achieve
our goal.
Nigeria when we all desire. And I thank you very, very much.
So my people, by the grace of God, we'll continue to the fight, we'll continue to the talk. And now waiting God coming to do for the season, now they do so. The reason why Bill say the country get as it been and because say people know they get the right information. So that's why God raised some of us from different states to give us right information. What you do for man and yourself you do and for. If you feel help your brother now yourself, now you help. The brother will not help today, tomorrow go become tiger, we will call devour you.
Sure.
So I beg, do what you fit do to help, say, to make sure that things go well for our society. We they play our part, like what God say we do today, we just see play our part. We know how many thousand we spend this money.
All the glory back to God.
Glory back to Jehovah. We not planner. We not planner. We always say, oh yeah, go to IDP camp. What do we do? Oh yeah, gonna go find food stuff. We know how it be. So we'll continue to play our part by the grace of God. Oh Gide, Omade, oh Fegari, oh Miogai, which means whether there is corn or whether there is melon or no melon, rat must see food chop.
Yes,
so as it be now, who the hungry can do anything. Now the truth be this. So my people, God will bless all of you now. When I don't they share this broadcast, and when I don't they help us, when I don't they encourage us, when I don't they invite to our friend, God will help us. This one, my brother Victor, God does still bring and make us still work with me for a season. So by the grace of God, we're going to work together. We're going to see better things on how we fit change the negative narrative of our people. Quick one, you know, say these answers, what they talk about the rest. So now because say too much orientation all day, too much teaching all day. So by the grace of God, we come up with seminar. I beg give them the date so that make them know what's in the grant.
We don't put together what we call Strategic Youth Conference. Our Strategic Youth Conference go hold on the 21st of November 2020.
This motto.
Yeah, this month, 21st, 2 and 1 of November 2020. We go get 2 sections. I will get the offline section and the online section. So as we start una will fit connect with us live
and direct
anywhere on a day for the world. Our major goal for this Strategic Youth Conference now to answer the question when my oga for the top, I think Mr. Vincent.
Yes.
When he talk, when he say intelligent strategy.
Yes.
That intelligent now we want to put together how we ask ourselves what we need from the Nigerian government. More can analyze what we true want from the Nigerian government. So on that very day, we go to expect una contribution. We expect say una join us. Make una too contribute in terms of as the program they go on, una go to give us una suggestions. We will appreciate that a whole lot. And so the flyer will come out this evening online. We will share the flyer. So as you see the flyer, help us repost the flyer as well. Thank you so very much.
God bless all of you now. We'll see you tomorrow. But meanwhile, our prayer still continue this night to 12 a.m. We'll come pray. Fire! Pa, pa, pa. We'll come pray. God will continue to help us tomorrow in our service, and they will continue to give us updates on how waiting God say make we they do. Our own now to make sure say our society good. Nigege zedo, zebo, zedo, zedo, ingledo. Neduama, nuseluama, eye, iogiomba, which simply means now make Bini good, make town good, now midday. We'll not be enemy of progress. We'll not be enemy to palace, we'll not be enemy to anybody. We just they do within God say make we do part time. God bless all of you now. We'll see you tomorrow. My name is Apostle Alfred Oyinosa.
And I'm Victor Olise.
God bless all of you now. Catch you. Shalom.
Now we don't hear from Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. If you get anything to add, join wetin don talk today. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And before you go, abeg, try make you subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.